Hi, this is Francis from Easel. Today, I'm going to be talking about an app in the Easel app library called Xploder. Essentially, what this allows me to do is take an object where everything is combined, so it's all, uh, this whole object is one object, and it allows me to select that object and then move into the app library and select Xploder to basically separate the individual components or individual parts of an object instead, so I can uncombine them basically. So if I've selected my object and I click on import, now we can see this is still just one object, but here it's all individual components. This makes it really easy to kind of break something apart if you're trying to uncombine it. So that's one way to do that. Have a wonderful day. Bye.
To learn more, head over to easel.com.